हेलो बच्चों, क्वेश्चन बैंक सॉल्यूशन में हमने ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट कर लिया है टॉपिक वाइज डिस्कशन 1 मार्क 2 मार्क 3 मार्क 4 मार्क क्वेश्चंस. Today we are going to start halogen derivatives topic which is from the organic chemistry and in that 1 mark question. So these are the 1 mark question. In that firstly we'll discuss last one ताकि हमें इजीली स्पेस अवेलेबल हो वन बाय वन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. तो देखो यहाँ पे राइट द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग is of dehydrohalogenation. So firstly we should know that what is mean by, जैसे कि देखो फिर एक बार बोलती हूँ, बहुत सारे बच्चों को लगता है कि ऑर्गेनिक का पार्ट है तो इमीडिएटली वी शुड नॉट टेल ओनली आंसर, they want explanation for each and every question. So I will tell you basic terms of this each question also. So first we will discuss what is mean by the dehydrohalogenation. यहाँ पे D मतलब रिमूवल होता है किसका, हाइड्रो मीन्स हाइड्रोजन का, हेलोजन मीन्स ClBr आयोडाइड, ऐसा कौन सा भी बोल के हम हेलोजन बोल सकते हैं. मीन्स द रिमूवल ऑफ HX दैट इज नथिंग बट द dehydrohalogenation. So when there is a dehydrohalogenation reaction is there, so firstly there is a conversion of this alkyl halide will be in the carbocation. So if we consider their carbocation, here we will get that CH3 C CH3 CH3 plus. This is the tertiary carbocation. Next one CH3 CH CH3 plus charge will be here and this is the secondary carbocation. And last one that is the CH3 CH2 CH2 plus charge will be here and this is the primary carbocation. So for as if we consider the stability order is tertiary carbocation is more stable than the secondary is more stable than the primary, and this is the same order which is applicable for this dehydrohalogenation. So in this way if we consider the increasing order is of means for which molecule will undergoes dehydrohalogenation easily, and that's why our correct answer is tertiary, means that one will be undergoes firstly and after that secondary and finally primary. So this is the decreasing order. How to write increasing order? For that one, see, first, second and third. So this is the correct answer for the increasing order. So second question, name the reagent used to convert alkyl halide. So alkyl, for that purpose we are using R symbol, halide X. So how to convert that alkyl halide into the ester? What is the formula? R C double bond O O R dash. So here this is the formula of the ester, and from whom we want to convert, that is from the alkyl halide. So which reagent we have to use for this conversion? Simple answer is there. If we consider silver salt of carboxylic acid, that is nothing but the R C double bond O OAG, or we can say that silver carboxylate. What is the name? Silver carboxylate. अगर इससे हम इसको मीन्स सिल्वर कार्बोक्सिलेट को अल्किल हलाइड के साथ ट्रीट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमें इजीली मिल जाएगा एस्टर. सो यहाँ पे ऐसे करके हमने बोल दिया है कौन सा रिएजेंट रिक्वायर्ड है. तो दैट रिक्वायर्ड रिएजेंट इज silver carboxylate, or we can say that silver salt of carboxylic acid also. So here we have completed that sixth question also. Now we'll discuss the fifth question. What is that? See, nucleophilic substitution reaction of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is faster than the para-nitrochlorobenzene. Give reason. Here they have given statement, just we have to give explanation or reason for that स्टेटमेंट. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्टली आपको बोल देती हूँ, अगर कंसिडर करते हैं क्लोरोबेंजीन तो यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, देखो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस क्लोरोबेंजीन. इफ there is a means our expectation is nucleophilic substitution reaction, means at that time there will be the cleavage of this bond, that bond is in between the carbon and chlorine. So this is not easy to break because this chlorine, or we can say that halogen atom, is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon. That's why that breakage or breaking of this carbon chlorine bond in haloarenes is difficult. Carbon and chlorine bond cleavage. Carbon and chlorine bond cleavage. Haloarenes is possible if specific groups are present at ortho and para position. तो ऐसे कौन से ग्रुप है जो कि है स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप्स, तो उसमें आ जाता है इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप. फॉर दिस वन आर इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म इज इलेक्ट्रॉन withdrawing group. Means for this one simply we can say that if electron withdrawing groups are present at the ortho or para position, then this carbon chlorine bond cleavage in haloarenes is easy. For that purpose, if we consider as the number of electron withdrawing group is greater than the nucleophilic substitution reaction will be faster. Nucleophilic substitution. So यहाँ पे अगर कंसिडर करते हैं ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर कौन सा 2,4 dinitrochlorobenzene. What will be the structure? Cl attached to the benzene. This is the structure of the chlorobenzene. 2,4. So this is the first position. This is the second position, third position and fourth position. 2,4 डाइनाइट्रो मीन्स दो नाइट्रो ग्रुप्स अटैच है. तो अगर कंसिडर करते 2 and 4 पोजिशन मीन्स दिस इज द ऑर्थो एंड दिस इज द पैरा पोजिशन. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन पैरा नाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन. इफ वी कंसिडर दिस स्ट्रक्चर, in that first structure 2 nitro groups are present at ortho and para position. That's why it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction faster. If we consider that second structure, what is that? Para nitrochlorobenzene. Now see, Cl benzene ring and at the para position nitro group is there. So यहाँ पे भी nitro group है, यहाँ पे भी है. In both structure at the para position nitro group is there. But in that first structure ortho as well as para means 2 nitro groups are there, and here only one nitro group is present. Only one NO2 group is present, and that's why we can say that in case of this 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, 2 electron withdrawing groups, that is the nitro group present at the ortho and para position. That's why its reactivity is faster than this para nitrochlorobenzene. तो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कर लिया हमने ये 5th क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट राइट द IUPAC नेम ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट B. यहाँ पे एक रिएक्शन दी है. फर्स्ट reactant is given in that one reagent and they have given A. So we have to identify A also. NaI means that A is treated with NaI acetone and we will get here B. So just we have to write the IUPAC name of this B. For this 4th question we can say that alcohol, that is ethanol, C2H5OH. It is treated with sodium bromide plus H2SO4. When it is heated with this reagent, then we will get here C2H5Br. That is nothing but the bromoethane. This is the bromoethane. When that bromoethane is treated with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, this reaction is the Finkelstein reaction, and as we know that Br will get exchanged by the I and we will get here C2H5I plus NaBr, and name of this B product is iodoethane. This is the name of this product, and for this one we will get 1 mark. Here completed 4th one. Now 3rd one. Write the correct decreasing order of boiling points for, they have given 4 compounds. So one by one we will write the formula also. Now in that first one, bromomethane means its formula will be CH3Br. This is the bromomethane. Second one, chloroform. Chloroform is nothing but the CHCl3. Third one is that dibromomethane means CH2Br2. Next one is bromoform means like chloroform, it is CHBr3. तो हमें यहाँ पे इनको अरेंज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब फर्स्ट आएगा जिसका बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ज्यादा होगा। तो हमें कैसे करना है, उसके लिए कुछ कंसेप्ट है हमारे, वो हमें अप्लाई करना है। जैसे कि देखो, मोलार मास increases, boiling point increases. Next one is that surface area increases, boiling point increases. Branching increases, boiling point decreases. So these are the main concept, as well as that hydrogen bonding and all that concept will be there. But these are the halogen derivatives, means we can say that haloalkanes are there. That's why we are not going to consider that hydrogen bonding and all that. Now see here. So simply यहाँ पे हमें अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा मोलार मास वाला कंसेप्ट. As we know that bromine Br, its mass number is 80, carbon it is 12, hydrogen it is 1, chlorine it is 35.5. According to that, if we calculate its molar mass, then what will be here? See, carbon 12 plus 3, 15. First one is that 15 plus 80. This is for the first. Second one, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus here 71 plus 35.5. This is of the second. Third one, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 80 plus 80, that is the 160. This is for the third one. And for fourth one, we can say that 12 plus 1, 13 plus 8 3s are 24. And according to that, if we consider whose molar mass will be higher one. So यहाँ पे हम easily बोल सकते कि fourth one का जो molar mass रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा, तो highest रहेगा. Means here that fourth one means CHBr3, it having the highest boiling point. CHBr3, its boiling point is highest one. Second one, whose number will be there? See, third one, that is of the dibromomethane. So यहाँ पे हम लिख रहे हैं CH2Br2. Next one, यहाँ पे अभी इसमें अगर कंसिडर करते तो 71 प्लस 13 और 80 प्लस 15, बट यहाँ पे एडिशन में है 35.5. तो क्लोरोफॉर्म का रहेगा थर्ड नंबर पे, मतलब CHCl3. और लास्टली सबसे कम रहेगा वो रहेगा CH3Br का बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. तो ये हो गई करेक्ट वाली डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. तो ऐसे करके हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया ये वाला भी क्वेश्चन. तो देखो लास्ट के जो दो क्वेश्चन है उसमें से फर्स्ट वाला, राइट द मेजर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन. यहाँ पे हमें दिया है reagent as well as reactant. We have to write the product. Now see here, if we consider this structure that is of the alkene, we have to add here HBr. So if we consider this reaction, when there is an addition of HBr to the alkene in absence of peroxide, so that is the Markovnikov rule we have to apply here. And that Markovnikov rule is negative part of the reagent get attached to that carbon which having the less number of hydrogen. अब ये less number of hydrogen कहाँ से आए, देखो फिर एक बार ये स्ट्रक्चर अगर यहाँ पे कंसिडर करते हैं तो हर एक कार्बन के कितने बॉन्ड्स कंप्लीट हुए. यहाँ पे ये है डबल बॉन्ड, तो यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन बॉन्ड कंप्लीट हुए, 1 2 3, मतलब यहाँ पे एक हाइड्रोजन है. Only one line is given, that is nothing but the CH3. For this carbon 1 2 3 4 bonds completed, means there is a no hydrogen. Here this carbon has completed 2 bonds, means here there is a presence of a 2 hydrogen we can say. So this is the structure for our understanding. Now what is the statement? Negative part of the reagent get attached to that carbon of the alkene on which less number of hydrogen are there. यहाँ पे एक है, यहाँ पे क्या है तो 0, मतलब लेस कहाँ पे है तो इस पोजीशन पे. तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट क्या मिल जाएगा, देखो यहाँ पे ये जो है साइक्लोहेक्सेन, यहाँ पे CH3 है और यहाँ पर ही Br अटैच हो जाएगा। तो दिस इज द आर करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट वन, राइट द IUPAC नेम फॉर दिस गिवन स्ट्रक्चर। तो यहाँ पे अगर कंसिडर करते हैं बेंजीन रिंग इज अटैच्ड टू द CH2 एंड वन साइड Br is there. So here we cannot say that that is a benzyl bromide because this is the common name. They asked us about the IUPAC name. For that one we have to consider one carbon containing alkane. That's why it is the methane. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अटैच है ब्रोमीन, मतलब ये हो गया ब्रोमो। यहाँ पे बेंजीन रिंग भी अटैच है, व्हेन इट इज एज अ सब्सटेंट वी हैव टू राइट हियर एज ए फिनिल। तो इसका नाम क्या आ जाएगा, देखो ब्रोमोफिनिल मीथेन। सो दिस इज द IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस स्ट्रक्चर। तो ऐसे करके कंप्लीट कर लिए हमने 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन ऑफ द हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स। होप सो मैंने जितना कुछ भी ऑर्गेनिक के लिए जो कुछ भी डिटेल में एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है वो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा। अगर आपको लगता है कि कहीं पे भी मैम आप ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन करो तो प्लीज़ राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।